You try to make a normal routine, like let's eat dinner, the hospital dinner. Let's, watch Netflix. Let's, they were like, try to make it as normal as possible, even though you can't walk or go outside or, really leave. And my doctor came in and said, okay, today's the day. Your blood pressure has stayed at a really high elevation, and we're going to have Parker today. And I just thought, now? And she said, now. And so we scrambled to kind of get the camera and the baby book and all the things that you think you need in a hospital bag. And I didn't have those and brought them to the hospital. And in that moment, there were about 14 people, I would say, in the OR to have my C-section. And I didn't really know what to think. They were preparing me for the worst. They didn't know what he was going to look like. They didn't know about his breathing or just anything that a preemie could encounter. I think they were just telling me all the information. So I'm just scared.